Oh, hey there.
Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Today we're gonna make a cookie.
Nom nom.
We're at Asda.
Nom nom.
Let's go get some goddamn ingredients.
Okay.
Ingredient, and hold it to the camera. Unsalted butter in the basket. Next is granulated sugar. Sugar's been acquired.
Tasty.
Now we need to find cornstarch. Where's the cornstarch, Ava?
Here.
Put it in the basket. Okay. Thing, let's go get some chocolate. So let's go get some chocolate.
Yeah.
And food colouring.
Yeah.
Would that be here?
Yeah.
So what colour do you want to make the octopus?
I think red is suitable.
Yeah?
Octopus? No.
Yeah, it'd be like orange. That would look fucked as a cookie.
Yeah, but we can just
Let's do red.
dilute it.
Yeah, let's do red.
Nice.
Okay. Now for the final ingredient. Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Last time we got lint and it was really nice, so I'm tempted to go for the same again. Ingredient acquired. Lint chocolate.
part of the
Final ingredient acquired. Lint chocolate. Okay. Let's get back to the house and start baking this goddamn cookie.
Cookie!
Okay. So we've got the sugar, and then this butter is gonna go in. Should we use a bigger bowl? Maybe.
No, we need a bigger bowl for the bread.
Okay. Okay. The butter's going in. Actually, wait, is it the whole thing?
You just knock a bit off it, like 25 grams. Okay, now.
It's whatever. Some of it will get lost. Actually, we'll take off a bit to base the tray. Put it in the tray. So that meat doesn't stick. So we'll keep that. Okay. Butter and sugar. I'm going to fold this together now. Now we're going to cream the sugar and the butter together.
A great idea.
Hopefully, it'll go okay. We sure there's not even to do it.
Yeah.
What be this? What be this? What be this? Jesus. Haha, blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Oh, that was so good. What are you on about? That was great.
It did work. Alright. Okay, put 2 eggs in. I meant to put in only 1 egg and a yolk, but I fucked it up, so there's 2 eggs in there now.
Oops.
Next is vanilla extract. We're going to do 1 tablespoon.
We shall do what we deem worthy. It is a massive cookie though, so do 2.
We've got to add all the flour, right?
Yeah.
We've got to add a lot of flour.
Yeah, so do 2.
Okay.
Another one.
Okay, gonna add the flour, cornstarch we need to weigh.
Oh, you didn't even mix the eggs in.
It's all gonna get mixed, isn't it?
Disgusting!
I think we should use the big. I'm gonna mix it up a bit first before we this is my hands. Because otherwise that's just gonna go fucking everywhere.
It will. There's a lot of dough.
Okay.
We have to dye the dough.
I'm gonna keep mixing. Yeah, I don't know.
You're
how
gonna
this
dye
goes.
your hands red.
Yeah. So I've been going for a while, but it actually looks like cookie, and it's it looks really solid. The light's like reflecting there. It looks really solid, but it's meant to because we're shaping it into an octopus. So, are we gonna do food colouring?
We need to, yes.
Okay, should we do that now?
Okay.
How much are you gonna put in? You gonna guess?
Yes.
Okay. As you should.
Sorry for your hands in advance.
You take the red pill.
That's fine. Is he gonna stain them?
Maybe.
Wasn't he?
Ooh. That seems sensible.
Okay, let's start mixing it in. It's fine, it's Halloween soon.
Yeah. Ooh. ASMR.
For real.
Ah, that's good.
The Octookie is coming together.
She's gone sticky.
Okay, we'll get back to you when this is done. Chop the chocolate.
Now have the lid.
Chop the chocolate.
Yeah, okay.
Chop the chocolate. Into chunks. And then,
Yum.
alright, mix. And then we have to make the octopus shape.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a bowl. Putting a bit of flour on the outside just to make it moldable. Okay, bring over the tray. We have to make an octopus. So, should we split it and then we need to roll out some like legs, don't we?
Yeah, I feel like half and half.
Okay,
is
maybe move the tray over. Okay, Operation Octopus Legs.
fair. The cat's about to pounce. Wait, give you off.
It might have to be like a short-legged octopus.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ooh, that was a nice leg.
Okay, leg number 2. We're gonna flip the camera, just pause it, and then just end it, and then restart it. Okay. What are you naming it?
I don't know.
What's an octopus name?
That's to be an O.
What's an octopus name?
Or B.
Toby? What are they?
Or B.
Yeah, I'll be the octopus. I'd say that's an octopus.
Yeah.
I think Raizadas head a little bit. That's pretty octopus-like.
That is pretty octopus-like, yeah. Obby has eyes.
Okay. You're doing rotate. Yeah. Okay. He's now going in the freezer for 3 hours.
3 hours is a long time.
It actually says 4.
Oh yeah, okay. I agree with the compromise.
And he goes. Goodbye, Obi.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Time to get Obi out of the freezer. Look at this boy. Oh my god! He just looks stupid. Look at that.
Is the center of that cookie gonna cook?
I don't know. We'll find out. Close the freezer.
Come on, make this difficult.
It doesn't exist. Close the freezer.
What? When did it go?
Ages ago, like months ago. Okay. Look at that boy. What a beautiful boy. Okay. So he's going to go in here for 30 minutes and then we'll check on him. Bye bye.
Many unbearable hours later.
Let's have a look at him. It smells pretty good. Go on. Obi, what happened? No! He still kind of looks like an octopus. You can see his legs.
Yeah, his legs
You
did
can see
have
the foot.
definition like 5 minutes ago.
You can see his legs. And look at his head. Poor Obi.
Yeah. Oh,
Time for a taste test.
there's definitely differing textures. It's a bit crumbly, that.
Hot. You turn it off.
Hey?
Put it in the average cookie.
Yeah.
What do you rate out of 10? I'm thinking like a 5.
Yeah.
About 5.
I feel like we need to try his head.
Let's scoop his brains out.
Oh.
He's still alive.
His brains are still there.
Let's try him anyway. The cookie dough is good. His brain's pretty good.
Pause.
Maybe I should like just amputate all his legs and then we can cook his brain.
His brain's the nicest bit.
If you think so. Has a lot of cookie if you think about it. That's a lot of cookie.
I would have got to a 6.5.
I like Dan's more just because they're cooked.
But I'm feeling a 6.5.
I'm feeling a 6.2.
So 6?
Yeah.
Bumped up to a 6.